Welcome to our TOPdesk self-service portal. Depending on the modules your organization is using, this is where you can easily register a ticket or a call, reserve a room or an asset, and access helpful information in your organization's knowledge base. These titles are organized by your TOPdesk application manager and represent the services available to you. Let's look at the My Workplace title. Here, we have a selection of subtopics, as well as frequently asked questions and manuals at the bottom of the page. Let's go to Printer Services. This is the Printer Services page. You'll find a description of the service, frequently asked questions, and options for registering a call. Let's register a printer malfunction. Okay, so the malfunction issue is that the printer won't turn on. As I type this, you'll notice TOPdesk is suggesting solutions to me in the sidebar, which are pulled from the knowledge base. Hopefully, one of these suggestions will solve my issue, but if not, we can continue with the call. I can also associate the call with the printer using its object ID if it has one. And then hit Submit. Great! Now I have my call number here, which I can click to view its status. You're able to update the call here and view any updates made by operators. You can also see its due date and close it if you've resolved the problem yourself. Let's go back to the home page and make a room reservation. Here, I see a list of rooms that are available to be reserved. I'll just click and drag over the time period I would like to reserve and click Next. Here are some services I can add to the reservation. Now let's confirm the details and submit the request. Let's go back to the home page. Another way to navigate TOPdesk is by using the search bar at the top. For the earlier example of a printer malfunction, I can search the term printer, and I'm presented with these filterable results, including options for registering a new call, knowledge items, and even any open requests I have that are related to printing. You'll also be kept up to date on important news and notified in the event of broad service disruptions, such as an email outage or elevator malfunction. If you are affected by the broad service disruption and would like to be notified of any updates, you can easily identify yourself as having been affected by using this button. And that's a brief introduction to your TOPdesk self-service portal. There are many other functionalities, so explore them and reach out to your TOPdesk application manager or team lead with any questions.